If you're looking for a functional, compact SUV with reliability and safety for the whole family, then take a look at this certified pre-owned 2016 Jeep Patriot Sport in bright white. With halogen headlamps, front fog lamps, 16-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, rear window wiper and washer, deep tint sunscreen glass, front bucket seats, tilt steering column, 30,000 miles on the odometer, Uconnect voice command with Bluetooth, audio jack input for mobile devices, SIRIUSXM radio, rear 60/40 folding seats, flat load floor storage, 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 5427A.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.